Welcome to LearnHub. Slow and clear English. Hello and welcome. My name is Nesma, and I am happy you are here. In this lesson, I will speak slowly, clearly, so you can follow me step by step. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to try. Listen, repeat, practice, and smile. What is shadowing? Simple explanation. Today, we start with one powerful method, a simple method, a natural method. It is called shadowing. Shadowing means listen and copy, speak and follow the sound, like a shadow behind the voice. You follow the words, the rhythm, the music of English. You don't need to understand every word. You don't need to translate. You only need to listen and try to say the words like me. So now, take a breath, relax. Smile. Get ready because today you begin a new step, a new sound, a new English journey. Let's start shadowing with daily sentences. We will use simple English, short sentences, clear ideas. You can use every single day. I will speak slowly so you can follow me. Ready? Let's begin. I wake up early. Now repeat. I wake up early. I need a cup of coffee. Now repeat. I need a cup of coffee. I'm getting ready for my day. Now repeat. I'm getting ready for my day. I don't have much time. Now repeat. I don't have much time. Let me check my phone. Now repeat. Let me check my phone. I'm going to work. Now repeat. I'm going to work. I'm a little busy today. Now repeat. I'm a little busy today. I need to focus. Now repeat. I need to focus. Let's take a break. Now repeat. Let's take a break. I'm going home. Now repeat. I'm going home. That's it. That's shadowing. At first, you may feel a little strange. You may not understand everything, but that's okay. Shadowing trains your brain and your mouth to work together. If you do this, even 5 minutes a day, you will speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. Small steps make big progress. Daily English practice tips. Short and simple. Listen every day. Speak out loud. Think in English. Repeat simple sentences. Make it a habit. Now, repeat after me. I practice English every day. Now repeat. I practice English every day. Small steps make big progress. Now repeat. Small steps make big progress. English is part of my life. Now repeat. English is part of my life. Thank you for joining me today. Keep going, keep practicing, and never give up. You can do it. I believe in you. See you in the next episode.